So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to enable the haptic feedback for the Google keyboard on your iPhone. So the first step is, of course, to make sure you have the Google keyboard or the Gboard installed on your iPhone. Now, since I don't want to make this video too long, I'll link another video in the description on how to install the Google keyboard on your iPhone. So if you don't have the Google keyboard on your iPhone, you can first of all go ahead and watch that video. And then once you have Gboard or Google keyboard on your iPhone, to enable haptic feedback, simply go to the Gboard app. It's normally just in the app screen. This is what the app looks like. So on the app, go to keyboard settings. And then under keyboard settings, look for enable haptic feedback on key press. So it might be disabled by default. So you might want to turn that on. And from now on, anytime you're using the Google keyboard like this, you'll feel the haptics feedback as you type. And that's basically how to enable the haptic feedback on the Google keyboard on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.